E-Wake stellen wir elektrische Jet.
At eWake, we develop electric jet boards for water sports. What makes them special is that they are fully made of carbon. They're very light and the smallest and fastest boards on the market. I've been involved with water sports since my early childhood.
War es für mich vollkommen klar, dass ich gerne etwas
As part of electromobility and the development of electric motors, it was perfectly clear to me that I wanted to invent something connected to speed and fun and a passion for water sports.
im Zuge der
In the beginning, we made the boards the traditional way, by hand. But with the requirements of electric motors, development of batteries, and increased customer demand related to our carbon boards, professional tools have become necessary for both product development and production. We decided to use Solid Edge from Siemens. In reverse engineering, the scanner first generates a polygon model. This model must be unified into lines or a solid. Solid Edge offers a whole set of tools to do this efficiently. For optimizing driving times and, of course, the dynamics of the board, we also ran flow simulation with Solid Edge Flow EFD. With that, we've achieved 10% better energy efficiency of our jets.
Ein Wassersportprodukt lebt
A
natürlich.
water sports product naturally benefits from being able to quickly pass on the experience gained from test runs to the development team. Especially when you're working remotely on site at the lake, Teamcenter Share is an ideal way to share your results.
Here at Faserschmiede, we support eWake in the areas of CAD, design, and production. And we produce the carbon fiber raw parts of the eWake boards. For production and manufacturing, we used the Solid Edge CAD data provided directly in our own CAD and CAM software. With the help of Teamcenter Share, we are able to coordinate and implement design changes with the customer at short notice.
With the help of Solid Edge and Teamcenter Share, we were able to realize customer requirements faster and reduce production times by 35%.